So if you guys have been following along on this project, I removed the stringers, the foam. I still have a little bit up there, but I just didn't want to take down the bulkheads and a couple other things inside until I'm ready to do it, because it kind of keeps the integrity of the boat. But this is where the 90-gallon fuel tank was sitting, and then right there is where the inside of the cabin, like, it dropped down for the step going from outside to inside, because as you guys can see, it drops down right there, and that's the end of the fuel tank also. So both these sections are rotten, just like everything else in this boat, but it's going to be removed, and we're going to start getting down to plain glass, cut the glass out, and then remove the balsa coring, because the balsa coring goes all along this edge, all the way to the back. When I first found out the balsa coring was bad, when I was setting up for the transom. So this is the Coosa transom I just did. I still got to grind down the old thickened resin I used for trimming out, and then start laying in glass once I remove the balsa coring. But I can't do that until everything's removed. So So this is where the bunk area was, the bed, stretched all the way across. And then right down through here, there was like a little drop down where you lift the little seat up. And then right up there was where the anchor runoff storage area. And then up in there, you could see the actual anchor storage. I ripped off some of the carpet. Still got the rest of it to rip down, but got majority of this out so I can get down to the balsa coring, so I can cut it out and then shave it out and then sand it and get ready for the Devonisil. So let's get to it and hopefully it goes good. majority of the port side done, so I just got a little bit of cleanup to do, and then get to the port side. But I'm gonna save that for the next video because this one's getting kind of long. As you guys can see, I moved my boat back to my place. It was stored at my parents' place because they have a nice big shop, but I'm gonna bring it back here once in a while just to get some stuff done and I can work on it. I've been away for a little bit because I just had a little girl, our third child, so took a little time for that. But now the boat's back here, I can work on it when I can. But it's going to be a lot more than I have been, so I look forward to that, and then I'll get this balsa coring out and start going back together. So let's see you guys in the next video for the remainder of the balsa coring, and I can show you guys what I plan on doing. So stay tuned for that. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks.